guys, today's a slow day, but I think it will be a productive one because we have the time. Time is on our side today. We have the opportunity to make the most of it. But before we start, I just wanted to check in with you guys, see how you're doing today, and just invite you to sit here with me just for a minute, to not have to think about what happened yesterday or what's gonna happen tomorrow. Just be present in this moment, right here, right now. And just remember, when the world is spiraling around you, it's okay to just take a pause, take a break, to stand still, to recalibrate, and then move forward.
I'm gonna probably take you guys on some of the work day, not all of it, because it gets pretty boring. It gets pretty boring sometimes. I would like to do an evening routine, so I'm going to probably highlight that more during the day. But like I said, I hope you guys are having a great day. We are gonna go to work right now because hold on. So come to work with me and we'll see what happens for the rest of the day. Catch you guys.
Take a real close look now. Soon you'll realize you don't know what's coming down. I got you hypnotized. Take a real close look now. I'm going to show you how. I'm about to get down. So keep it up right now. So keep it up. So keep it up with me. I need to move. I need to feel the beat. Don't be a fool. You wanna hang with me. Life isn't easy. You gotta roll the dice. You wanna change. Join the paradise. So bring it on if you wanna hang with me. Alright.
Okay, we're going to do our next performer, ladies and gentlemen, right about now. Should I have faith in you? Or should I put my trust in you?
So there you have it, guys. That was my day. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you came around for the ride. So we're heading back home just to make sure that we get some sleep before work tomorrow. And I hope you can get some sleep as well. And I hope when you get up tomorrow morning, you have a great one. So catch you back later in the next video, and I hope you have a great day, great week, great month, great year, as long as it's great. Bye.